AI just wrote a full professional email in 8 seconds. Watch. Most people spend the first 30 minutes of their workday staring at a blank reply box. You know exactly what you need to say, but getting it to sound professional, not too stiff, not too casual, takes forever. So you sit there, rewording the same sentence 4 times. Here's what's actually happening. Writing emails isn't hard because you don't know what to say. It's hard because you're doing 2 jobs at once, figuring out the message and figuring out the words. That's exhausting before 9 a.m. AI separates those 2 jobs. You handle the thinking. It handles the wording. And the tool most people already have access to, free right now, is ChatGPT. No account required to try it. Just go to chat.openai.com and type. That's it. That's the whole setup. Okay, so here's what you actually type. Don't overthink this. Go to ChatGPT and paste something like, write a professional but friendly email to my manager asking to push our Friday meeting to Monday. Keep it short, 2 sentences max. That's a real ChatGPT prompt, and in about 8 seconds, you get a clean, ready-to-send email. Not a rough draft, something you can actually use. If it's not quite right, just reply in the chat. Make it a little warmer or add that I'm available Tuesday too. It adjusts instantly. And if this kind of thing is useful to you, Stack Future drops one of these every day. The reason this works so well as an AI productivity hack is that you're not describing formatting rules or tone guidelines in your head anymore. You just describe the situation like you're texting a friend, and the AI writing tool figures out the professional version for you. You stay in control. It just handles the part that slows you down. Honestly, this one small shift, using AI for everyday work emails instead of writing from scratch, adds up fast. People are saving 20-30 minutes a day just on this. That's real time back. Next video, how to use AI to summarize long email threads so you never have to read a wall of text again. If this helped, tap the like. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.